With the development of science and technology, color sorting machine is more and more widely used in agriculture and industry. Under the continuous research of many scientific researchers, the accuracy of the color sorter is also steadily improving. The accuracy of many color sorters can reach more than 99%. The color sorters produced by Grotech can basically reach 99.9%. But up to now, almost no color sorter manufacturer claims that the accuracy can reach 100%. Why is this? In the processing of the color sorter, there are three main factors that affect the accuracy of the results, namely the accuracy of the injector, the accuracy of the camera identification, and the overall installation process. Most of the color sorting machines are used to identify good and bad material by taking pictures of the color when the materials pass through the machine. The high-definition camera equipped with the machine will take pictures of the materials, analyze them, remove the non-conforming bad materials, and keep the good materials. But when the color of the bad material is the same as the good material, it will affect the color sorting accuracy of the color sorter. Let's look at this picture. This is a picture of the material taken by the visible light camera. We can see the color of plastic, desiccants, glass and gravel pieces, and the color of rice blended together, and the shape of some miscellaneous materials or even similar to rice, which increases the difficulty of color sorting. But the appearance of this color sorter produced by Grotech changed everything. This is a color sorter that can pick out impurities almost 99.99%. It is equipped with a high-precision infrared camera that using EMLAG's technology. Engineers have optimized the graphics recognition software so that this color sorter can accurately identify debris. This machine is equipped with two cameras. One is a visible light camera and the other is an infrared camera, which means it supports visible light sorting and infrared light sorting. Let's look at this picture. This picture is the material taken by the infrared camera. We can clearly see that the color of rice is very different from the color of other impurities. In this way, the machine can quickly make judgments based on the pictures, remove impurities, and achieve almost every color selection accuracy. The following is our actual color sorting process. We add the following impurities to the rice. Now start our color sorting process. Next, when we look at the final result, we can see that the output of the infrared color sorter is very nice, and all the impurities we have just mixed in have been sorting out.